Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I am making for supper some my version of Alice Springs chicken. We always called it smothered chicken, but I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do this. This is actually my sister Tab's recipe, and honey, she was doing it a long time before we ever had it at Outback. So the only thing I've done is I have 2 chicken breasts, and y'all know them chicken breasts, honey, they be honking big, thick slabs. So what I did was, and they can be tough. I split it in half, pounded it out just a little bit to loosen those ligaments up so it'd be nice and tender. And I had some Italian dressing, some leftover from my Top Why Tuesday. And I let this marinate in there for a little while. Got me some mushrooms, onions, and bell pepper cut up here. Some cheese. Now, instead of honey mustard, I like to use barbecue sauce. And I like to mix it up. I already got my big old thing of bacon fried back here, honey. And so let's get to it. All right, I'm getting my pot. Now, I have left a little bit of that bacon grease in here. I'm going to pour just a smidge more, because what we're going to do is we are going to take that chicken breast, get all that good bacon flavor in there before we start smothering it. Now, I've got my oven set at 375, so it's going to be ready to go in there. Now, see how hot we are. Y'all don't look at my stove. I have bacon splattered all over it. It is, you just can't
cook bacon without
it is not. So we're just going to put that right in the pan. Now you can add some of your seasoning. I did add a little seasoned salt on here. And then that Italian dressing gives it just a wonderful flavor. I don't know if you've ever tried it, but grilling chicken like this in that Italian, it is so good. It gives it an excellent flavor. Just another layer of flavor. All right, we're going to discard this. Got my little veggies over here. Now we're going to just cook this on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we're not cooking it completely done. Don't go, that chicken's raw. It is going to be raw, because we're going to bake it and finish it off and top it and do all the things to this little chicken. So it's about to have a happy life. All right, y'all, I'm just going to take these out, put it in my little dish right here. Just like so. All right, now we're going to dress them up a little bit. All right, y'all, I've got Sweet Golden, Sweet Baby Ray's. You use whatever you want. You can make your own honey mustard, and that is super simple to do. I love homemade honey mustard. But we're just going to brush this. We're going to flip it over, and I forgot my tongs. We'll flip them, give them a little flip. Do the same side. Do the other side the same way. And we are going to put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then we'll pull them out and smother them suckers. We're going to cook the vegetables that's going to go on top. Pretty quick little supper. All right, now y'all see I saved my little bacon grease. I didn't put it in my little container yet. I'm just going to do a little bit of bacon grease in here, and I like to mix it with just a little bit of butter, just for some really good flavor. You totally don't have to do that, but it is pretty good. Let's see. I'm just going to do about maybe a tablespoon of butter. We'll add more if we need it. All right. That in there. Now, just mushrooms, bell pepper, onion. Honey, if you don't like one, leave it out. If you don't like none, The chicken is actually good with just bacon and cheese on it. But that's why it's your kitchen. You just do it the way you want to do it.
Right.
Yes,
We're
indeed.
smothering it down.
We are. We like ours smothered. Make sure these is separated there. And I'm just going to hit it with just a little bit of Lowry's seasoned salt. Just a little. Get a little seasoned up. It's going to be seasoned just like the chicken. And I'll add a little more black pepper. Kind of do how you want yours. There we go. Now, I'm just going to cook these until they're nice and tender. And when that chicken's ready, I'll come back and show y'all how I top it. All right, y'all. She's been cooking for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to top it now. We're going to throw it back in for about 10 minutes more. Go ahead and put some of this good old topping on top. And I just cooked those until they were tender. Yummy, yummy. All right. Get all that goodness on there. All right, now we are going to put the bacon on. Just going to put some little pieces along the side. Cover them up.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Smother them. That's what we're doing. Good stuff. All right, now all the thing we've got left is to put some cheese on top. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of sauce, a little bit of barbecue sauce across it. Then we're going to top it with some cheese. Throw it back in the oven. We're going to cover it up. Let that cheese get nice and melted. And it's going to be done. Easy peasy. Alrighty. Here we go. Cover up. And I'll be back to show y'all the end result. Alright, y'all. This is what it looked like. Coming out the oven. I just put it on a little plate. Yummy.
Fantastic. Ooh.
Yes. And I just put a little bit of both barbecue sauce. I just do a little bit. But you can dress it up however you want to. I got us some little new potatoes and some steamed green beans. And that's going to be our supper. All right, y'all. It is tasting time.
Yeah. My time.
Supper time, yes.
I'm ready.
Dig on in there.
Got some bacon. Onion.
All the things. And that little bit of sweetness, it really pairs well with it.
Outback ain't got nothing on that, y'all.
Oh,
I can tell you that right now.
my take on Alice Springs.
I have no idea where Alice Springs is located.
What it is or
That
who
chicken,
did it.
That chicken ain't no better than this chicken. I can tell you that.
Maybe
That's
it's
fantastic.
somebody named Alice.
It could be. I don't know.
Created
no
it.
idea.
I don't know.
No idea.
I don't know, but it's
But
good.
that is fire.
It's been a favorite for many years.
It has.
It really
We've been
has.
eating that for a long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Long time.
Long time. Like I said, long time before we ever ate it at Outback.
Yeah.
We've been eating chicken for a long time.
We have.
We have had us some chicken through the years, so.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's really quick. It doesn't take that much time. I know it looks like a lot, frying your bacon and then your vegetables. But while the chicken's in the oven, you can do your little vegetables, and it's
fantastic.
perfect. If you sear it first, it doesn't take long at all. So a total of about 25 minutes in the oven.
It's perfect.
Good. Very good. You want your chicken at about, what, 165
Yep.
degrees. So,
Yep.
but anyway, y'all.
I like the
Smothered
mixture of the
chicken.
barbecue sauces.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah, it's got a little tangy and a little sweet.
I'm always mixing something.
She is. She's a
Always.
sauce queen.
I am. I love my
Saucy.
condiments. I
My
love
saucy gal.
I like my
saucy gal.
condiments. So I will wait to eat something until all my little ketchup packs is
She will.
open, and he'll be
I'll
done
be
ate
done,
his.
I'll be done completely done eating, and she will just be sitting down eating.
And he'll be eating his French fry. He just eating his French fry. I'm like, you are a savage. How are you eating that without some ketchup?
Savage.
Yes.
Savage.
You gotta have some ketchup with some French fries. But anyway,
Yeah.
it's just wrong in my eyes if you don't. But yes, I do like my condiments.
And it's got to be just so. Beforehand.
It does.
Yeah, it does.
If I mix something, if I mix mayonnaise and ketchup, whatever it is I'm doing,
Yeah.
I want it right. Anyway, y'all.
Yes.
Thank y'all so much for coming along with us.
Absolutely. We appreciate it.
Yes, and I hope you like this little
Absolutely. It's fantastic.
little
Give it a
recipe.
try.
Yes, give it a try. And if you do, y'all know the deal. Let us know. Thank y'all so much for the feedback, as
Yeah.
always, in the comments and all the love. And until next time.
Peace.